green pa yung iba. May mga nalalaglag, so kunin ko ito para i-dry ko. Kasi hindi mo naman makain na lahat. So, para hindi masayang, ita-dry ko yung nahulog. Huhugasan muna tapos i-dry. Meron din dito isang puno. Dito sa baba, dito sa aking bayaw na bahay, binan. Yan yun, oh. Ito yung isang puno. Ayan, oh, mga bunga. Ito yung nahulog, oh. Kinuha ko ngayon, oh. Dito pala kinatay yung ano, 2 higuts namin na sacrifice noong 7 kasi 9 ngayon eh. Ayan, oh. Dito kinatay. Dito tinali. Ayan, mga bunga, oh, green pa. Marami ding bunga. Yan, oh, sa taas. Oh. Hindi sabay-sabay na ano, mahinog. Yun. Meron din dito isang puno, kaya lang maliliit, sobrang liit. Ayan. Ayan, maliliit, oh. Pero ano ito, super tamis. Itong maliliit. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang hinog, oh. Ayan, may ants. Our organic green leafy vegetables, they call it here clam. It's like Chinese pichay. As you can see the leaves. Yan. Let's make dry apricots because we cannot eat this one all. So instead of throwing, so must be we have to dry it. And separate the seeds, and you can broke this one. Inside the shell is very tasty. It's tastes like almonds. So I make dry this one. So this is for today, and this one also, and this one yesterday, and this one also little hair. And this is seeds for today, and this one yesterday. So I will make dry this one over there in that tin or yero, because very good climate today. It's a sunny day. But this one I get yesterday down because we have 2 trees of apricots over there down, and some fall down, so I get it, so I make dry. And we have one also tree of apricot over there, as you can see. Yan. So this one I have to make dry also. Yan. So I will make dry now this one. This one. Just now I come up, I went down to get or pick some fall down apricots. So what I have to do, this one is I have to wash and then make it dry and separate the seeds. And 3rd day of drying. Then this one, another kind of apricots also, someone give from our neighbor, our uncle. They have tree of apricot also, but I think this is more sweet than this one. So we'll I already washed this one. Now we have to dry again for third day. You see, too much fall down. If I will make jam, nobody want to eat also. So much better I have to make dry. And this is my remembrance, Bilao, when I went to Philippines. First time I went to Philippines for vacation, 2008. That time, Fatma with me. Fatma 1 year and 2 months. So I have remembrance. And still, okay, my Bilao. Now we have to make dry. We have to cut into two, like that. And then separate the seeds. Third day of drying apricots. So these are all the seeds. So I will dry over there in that tin or yellow. And you know this taste of apricots similar to mango. Pumunta ako sa baba. Ito may mga daming nahulog na apricots 4 days of to make dry apricots. Ito naman kahapon ng hapon nahulog. So ito pinulot ko lahat ang dami. So huhugasan ko ito. I will wash this one 2 to 3 times din. I make dry. Yan, ito yung paglalagyan ko. Not enough these 3 trays, so I have more. So these are seeds. So this one, this already dried. This 4 days ago. So I will use this tray and I will put this one here. Transfer here because no more tray I have. So I will put here because this already dry. Like that. So I can use here. I think this one enough here in one tray. These are all for today, 4 days of drying. So these are all seeds. And this one, first day of drying. So this is okay now, but I have to dry one more time. And this is, I think, very expensive if you find this one in supermarket by pack like that. So I will dry over there again in that tin or yero. And very nice climate. It's a sunny day, but air is coming, so no need to use air condition here. Today is June 12 and today is Thursday. Time check Pakistan time is 11 a.m. So I will make dry now this one. So these are all I dried 4 days. This one 4 days ago, first day, and this is second day, and this one yesterday, and this one, and today this one, 4 days.